Hi, welcome to Trader's Diary. This is my journey to become a better trader. Today I made €827 trading options on DAX, and I want to share with you how the trade came about, my entry, stop and target. For those of you new to option trading, an option is a contract that gives you the right to buy or sell something, like stocks, at a set price within a certain time. You pay a small amount up front, called the premium, for this right. If the price moves in your favor, your option increases in value. You can make a profit by selling it. If not, you just lose the premium you paid. Although an option is a contract, you don't have to exercise the right to buy or sell at the end of its expiration. An option's price will decline over time as it approaches its expiration. This is known as time decay. Option is a complex and leveraged product. For beginners, I recommend only buy to open a call, a put option. And don't sell to open any options until you know option trading inside out. Why I like to trade options? Because my max risk, drawdown, is fixed up front. I will not lose more than the premium paid as long as I only buy to open call or put option. And I can benefit from options leverage to increase my profit on relatively little capital. Now that the basics are out of the way, first, let's look at the context of today's trade on the daily chart. Since the start of the last uptrend back in November, the second leg's target was reached here on March 28th and price pulled back immediately from the next trading day. Technical target estimation really works on the dot, isn't it? It then rebounced to attempt the third leg up here but failed, ending with a fake out here in mid-May. It is easier to see the fake out in the 4-hour chart here. At the time, my thought was this would be a double top if it breaks below the yellow support. My first short trade was on June 10th after DAX fell below the previous swing high at 18,450, because breaking below 18,450 makes it a fake out to the overall uptrend structure. The double top was not confirmed. The market decided the topping process was not finished yet. And I used this new low to update the support. Like Jesse Livermore famously said, the market is always right. Be patient. Wait for the opportunity. DAX then crawled slowly back up, reaching the last swing high before the fake out top. Fast forward to this morning just before 11, seeing the index couldn't break above the resistance and left a very long upper wicks from the last 2 trading days, I switched to the 1-hour chart to check the price action in detail. DAX closed below the neckline at the end of the first trading hour this morning. At 11, the candle closed just below the resistance and the new hourly candle started pulling away from the neckline rather aggressively, indicating the sellers were stepping in. This is when I decided to take the first short position. The index continued to fall steadily, but the option premium was pulling back. This is because options tend to overreact to underlying assets' price movement. So I bought another put option at a lower price. Based on my experience, the price moves aggressively after a failed retest. The first amplitude is usually reached and fairly quickly. I will leave a link to my back test on amplitude target at the end of the video. And indeed, about 3 hours later at 2 o'clock, there was a 15-minute aggressive stamping from the sellers and both of my take profits were triggered one after another. Now looking at the daily chart, it looks like a head and shoulders could be in play next. Do you think it would be head and shoulders? Write in the comment below Y for yes, N for no. If you find value in this video, please subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell. Let's get better at trading. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.